Hello student, good afternoon. This is the routine for English for class 8 and here is the routine. On Monday you will be taught composition. On Tuesday you will be taught English grammar. On Wednesday you will be taught literature, that is main book of English. On Thursday you will be taught the same thing, that is literature or the main book of English. On Friday you will be taught composition again, and on Saturday you will be taught again English grammar. So in this way you have got 2 days for composition, 2 days for English grammar, 2 days for literature or main books. Now we will read chapter 1.2, that is, are you a vegetarian? Are you a vegetarian? Here are the here are some here is some not here is some difficult words along with their meaning. The first one is ecological, which means related to plants, animals and their environment. In Hindi, पेड़ पौधे, जानवर और उनके वातावरण. Second one is raising, which means breeding and taking care of, पालना और पोषना. Third one is livestock, which means animal kept on a farm, मवेशी. Next one is cut down on, which means to reduce the amount or number, मात्रा को कम कर देना या संख्या को कम कर देना. डिफॉरेस्टेशन, विच मीन्स कटिंग और बर्निंग ऑफ ट्रीज, पेड़ों को काटना या जलाना. नेक्स्ट वन इज मास, विच मीन्स अ लार्ज अमाउंट, भारी मात्रा में. नेक्स्ट वन इज ओबेसिटी, विच मीन्स स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग फैट, मोटा होना. एंड फाइनल वन इज वेजिटेरियन, which means a person who eats only fruits and vegetables, that is a person who doesn't eat meat or eggs is called vegetarian. So these are the difficult words that you will have to memorize. Next day we'll go through the lesson and see what that lesson contains. So that's all for today. Thank you.